Mark writes, hello from Egypt. Well, hello to you too. Glad to see you here. I've never made it to Egypt. Would love to go out there someday. But yeah, thanks for coming. I think you might be our first viewer from Egypt. I can't remember anybody else from Egypt. You know what I want to do, guys? Let me know if this interests you guys. I think I'm going to put a map on my rear wall, and I would love to put a pin every time somebody from a country visits us, because I think, because again, I love traveling. I've been fortunate to travel a big part of the world, but I think I want to put a map up and be able to say, okay, this is where we had visitors from, because I just love seeing everybody joining in the diversity. So maybe let me know in the chat what you guys think about that. But it'd be nice to just track where people are joining in from. All right, so Nick writes, hello from the UK. Well, hello to you too, Nick. Whenever whenever I hear about the UK, I always think about Ted Lasso, and Ted Lasso has these shorts on YouTube, and there's one where he's coaching the Tottenham Hotspurs, and he says, how many countries are in this country? Right? I mean, so what part of the UK are you in, Nick? I know the UK, is a collection of countries. So what part? Let us know the city in the country.